have I'm eating breakfast. I have a breakfast burrito. It's a huge breakfast burrito. It has turkey. I got turkey sausage. Hi, Angela. I'm good. How are you? Hope everyone's having a great Sunday. But this has a turkey sausage. I'm gonna cut it in half so y'all can see the inside. It has a pico de gallo and cheese on top. And I just got some fruit on the side. Yeah, it looks delicious. I'm excited. And then I got the caramel macchiato. A hot caramel macchiato on the side. But I'm gonna cut this in half so y'all can see the inside. Can y'all see it? It has egg, turkey sausage, onions, and peppers. And potatoes. Hi, Burgad. Hopefully that's how you say your name. And it has salsa on the side. And on top. Hi, Minor. Yeah, Angela, it's my first time trying it. Thank you. It is delicious. Hi, Tyler. No, but it's a big burrito. Trying to get some of this. The salsa. And the pico de gallo on top. Hi, Haley. But, doesn't that look delicious, y'all? Oh, you're hungry? What would you, be cooking today? Later today? What's everyone gonna cook today if you plan on cooking? The salsa is really good on it. Oh, shrimp and grits. Sounds good. Have y'all ever had this style of breakfast burrito before? kind of full. Yes, it's delicious. It has I substituted turkey sausage instead of the sausage that came on it. Hi, Emmanuel. I'm at a local restaurant, Tyler. Hi, Zephyr. Manor, that's interesting. Yeah, Tyler, it is. Hi, Tiffany. It is really good. This was a big burrito. I cut it in half. And it has hash browns or potatoes in it, pico de gallo, onion, egg, turkey sausage, and cheese. And on top it had pico de gallo and cheese, so it's really good. Hi, WW. Yeah, I really enjoy my food. Hi, Deborah. Yeah, it's a delicious breakfast burrito. Yeah, Tyler, it's a lot of different things combined in it, so it's good. Kind of like an omelet and a burrito. You like breakfast burritos too? What do you usually get in a breakfast burrito if you eat them? You just finished breakfast? Cheese grits, spinach, omelet, turkey sausage. That sounds good. I have some food here on the side too. You like bacon and bean burritos? Yeah, I'm gonna add some hot sauce on the second one, Tyler. I have some Cholula. So this is hi Tracy. This is the caramel macchiato. It's good. I haven't had one in a long time. Everyone coming in, please don't forget to like the live. Here's the Cholula. I don't want it to be too spicy though. Because it already has salsa. And the salsa was spicy too. But the Cholula added a nice kick. I love that, bro. I hope you enjoy your weekend as well. I hope everyone enjoys their weekend. Not really, Nicole. I don't really have any plans. Does anyone... Do y'all have any plans for Memorial Day? Or just for the rest of the weekend? I wish I had a little more salsa though. The salsa was good and the pico de gallo. Spicy.
I'm done.
Just one to go, or both? I got it.
And then something for the show.
Yes.
These have big potatoes in it too. Pieces of potatoes.
Sorry?
Hi, Silver Sun. I'm just finishing up this burrito. It was a big turkey sausage, egg, cheese, and potato burrito. And it was topped with cheese and pico de gallo and salsa. It was really good. Excuse me. Oh, you like turkey sausage too, Nicole? Yeah, it's good. I have some fruit on the side here too. Oh, you don't? I do sometimes, but I prefer usually chicken or ground turkey or turkey options. This fruit cup on the side has strawberry. I think this is cantaloupe and grapes. But I like the strawberries and grapes the best, the most. This is a caramel macchiato. It's like a creamy caramel coffee taste, but not too strong of a coffee taste. But thank y'all for joining me while I ate breakfast. It's breakfast burrito. It was really delicious, along with the fruit and the coffee. So I hope that y'all have a great rest of your weekend and start of your week tomorrow. And and make sure you're subscribed by hitting the red subscribe button down below and turn your bell notifications on so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos and lives. And like I said, I thank you all so much for coming and watching me eat. If you enjoyed the live, put a I don't know if there's like a grape or a coffee mug, but put that in the chat if you enjoyed this live. Thank you, Silver Sun. You too. I appreciate your support.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Thanks for coming.